Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the Qlife Spark 20 by 4.0 meter moped-style e-bike, a chunky little beast designed in sunny Florida, aimed at students, commuters, and anyone who wants motorcycle vibes with e-bike running costs. We'll walk through unboxing, design, performance, range, comfort, safety features, pros, cons, and our final verdict. So if you're thinking about getting a moped-style e-bike, watch this before you spend your money. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside, everything is strapped and foam protected. We get the main frame with rear wheel, pre-installed, the front wheel, handlebar, and fork hardware, pedals, charger, toolkit, and the removable 48-volt 13 amp-hour battery, plus the usual paperwork and user manual. Assembly is fairly straightforward. Mount the front wheel and secure the axle. Attach and align the handlebar. Slide in the seat if it's not pre-mounted. Install pedals, check brakes, and tighten all bolts with the included tools. Finally, slide the battery into the frame, lock it, and give it a full charge before the first ride. Out of the box, our first impression is, this doesn't feel like a bicycle. It feels like a mini motorcycle. The stance, the seat, the fat tires, everything screams moped. Design and build quality. Design-wise, the Spark leans fully into the moto aesthetic. We get a moped-style step-over frame, a long bench seat, and those 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires that instantly make it look ready for anything. The payload capacity is rated up to 360 pounds, so heavier riders, plus gear, or even a small passenger on the long seat are all on the table. The bike itself weighs about 93 pounds, so it's solid and planted. But we'll be honest, this is not something we want to carry up a flight of stairs every day. The rear rack is integrated into the frame and can handle around 120 pounds of load, which is perfect for a delivery bag, cargo crate, or a big commuter pannier. The overall dimensions keep it compact enough for city riding, but it still has a presence that turns heads. Motor speed and riding modes. At the heart of the Spark is a 1500-watt peak brushless hub motor in the rear wheel. Qlife claims a top speed of 28 plus miles per hour, and with pedal assist cranked up and a bit of effort, it absolutely feels that fast. Throttle response, through the thumb throttle on the right bar, is punchy. From a standstill, the bike pulls like a small scooter, which is exactly what we want from a moped-style e-bike. We also get multiple pedal assist levels, so we can choose low assist for relaxed cruising and better range, or higher assist when we want that instant kick for traffic gaps or short hills. For a bike in this price range, the motor performance is legitimately spicy. Battery and real-world range. The Spark runs on a 48-volt 13 amp-hour removable battery. On paper, Qlife claims up to 60 to 65 miles of range with pedal assist, depending on how we ride, rider weight, and terrain. In the real world, if we're hammering the throttle and living at high assist, we should expect something in the 25 to 35 mile ballpark. If we're more moderate, use pedal assist around level 2 or 3, and keep speeds reasonable. Stretching toward the higher claims becomes much more realistic. Charging time is rated at about 4 to 6 hours, with the included 54.6 volts /2 amps charger, which is pretty standard. The removable design means we can park the bike in a garage, take the battery indoors, and charge it safely at home or in the office. The battery also has an IP54 water resistance rating, so light rain and splashes aren't a problem. Ride comfort, suspension, and handling. Comfort is where this bike really separates itself from a basic commuter e-bike. Up front, we have an adjustable suspension fork with dual crown style design and tunable damping, so we can set it softer for rough terrain or stiffer for aggressive city riding. Out back, there's a rear shock absorber mounted under the frame, inspired by motorcycle setups. Together, this gives us true full suspension, not just a token fork. Combine that with the 20 by 4.0 inch puncture-resistant fat tires and the long high-density foam seat, and the Spark soaks up potholes, cracks, gravel, and dirt surprisingly well. The riding position is upright and relaxed, more like a cruiser than a traditional bicycle. With the Harley-style foot position and long seat, it feels natural at higher speeds and on longer rides. That snaps on the moment we touch the brakes. Drivetrain-wise, we get a Shimano 7-speed system. That means we can actually pedal comfortably at different speeds instead of ghost pedaling. All of this makes the Spark feel like a complete vehicle, not just a toy. Safety, brakes, and control. Power is fun, but only if we can control it. The Spark comes with front and rear disc brakes, giving strong stopping power to match its top speed. In normal city riding, one-finger braking is enough. In emergency stops, both levers haul the bike down confidently. The fat tires give tons of grip on asphalt, gravel, and dirt, and the wide contact patch adds stability at higher speeds. Combined with the suspension, the bike feels planted rather than sketchy, even when we're riding near its limit. Add the bright headlight and brake light, and the Spark checks the core safety boxes we expect on a fast e-bike. Beyond the fun factor, how practical is this thing? The integrated rear rack makes it easy to strap on panniers, a cargo box, or a backpack, turning the Spark into a legit commuter or grocery getter. With a 360-pound max payload and that long bench seat, we can also carry a passenger for short trips, depending on local regulations. Because it's technically an e-bike, we avoid a lot of the costs and paperwork of owning a scooter or motorcycle in many regions. Again, check your local laws. For students, urban commuters, delivery riders, or weekend adventurers, it's a very flexible platform. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.